Come on.
Jeff. Knock it off.
Who's all over there?
Mark, and Ian. Ian's probably.
Mark squared.
Yeah.
Ian.
Cole over there? What? I see 3 white shirts.
Cole might have walked. Cole was just here.
I see 3 white shirts, and that's Boston. Or is that Ian? No, there's a black shirt. That's Scott.
Yay! All over.
You gotta get a chair. Come sit here. Come watch the fireworks.
I just like really aesthetic.
Earmuffs. That's different.
Who needs earmuffs? On my back
In my
porch.
in my truck, hon, in the driver's side door.
Where's that?
I can see that one.
Ranger, are you scared? You need to come sit by Grammy? I got you. You're okay. 50-minute interval. Jay, Louise.
Hurry up!
Who's sleeping in that thing? What is that?
That's my tent cot. That's where Cole's gonna sleep.
He's not sleeping in my house.
What's that?
Outside.
He's not sleeping inside.
No, he was gonna sleep in his truck tonight. He said he's gonna sleep in there.
They all slept out last night. Ian, Mark,
He'll
and
get-
He
Cole.
slept on that thing last night.
He'll
Yeah.
get a good. He'll get a good sleep in there. You won't have any bugs on him.
Right.
Still
I don't
out.
know. Mark had a whole setup. He had like 8 citronella tiki torches around him, one hanging from the thing. He
That's a
sprayed the thing with citronella.
That's a sweet setup. It folds up.
Yeah, it is. I like that.
I had the kids. Oh, fireflies.
Daddy's taking forever. I know. You're so tired.
It's okay, Jack.
Look at.
Yay!
He had to brown.
Why are you gonna?
Cassidy, it's fine. You're all right.
That's really close to
Listen,
my
if
house.
it gets bad, you can say, "Told ya."
I did. I already told you so. Is Ranger still over there?
He was. I don't know.
I just don't want him going back there. They can do whatever they want with their dog. Ranger! Oh, he was on the porch.
I was worried about the fireflies. They're all over the place.
I know. She's like, "Oh, Ian must have a ton of fireflies." I'm like,
Oh, they were out catching them the other night. I went to bed and Finn woke me up at like 11 o'clock. Look, Mom! Whole thing of fire. Awesome, buddy.
"But we can't have lights on."
And they might be.
I know. I know. Yesterday, she saw the fireflies in the yard. I told her.
There's no white ones.
She's like, "We turn off all the motion lights because they die."
Well, there is light pollution.
There's a lot.
I know, they take it forever. They get you going and then take just kidding.
still a lot
I had the boom boom.
right.
Another boom boom.
They're illegal, should be.
Sometimes I'm
How?
Is that fog building across the field, or is that fireworks
I
smoke?
think it's
like I gotta look away.
because it's only over there. It's not over there. Like nothing over here. Yeah, I think it's them.
Yeah, they're probably closer. Be careful, guys.
Where's Finian? Finian! Thank you. That was it.
Where you were, buddy.
I'm gonna try that with Maddie. Madison!
I wouldn't even try that with Noah. He wouldn't answer anyway.
Oh, wait, did I hear what? It worked.
You didn't say what. So shut up.
Shut up.
We're breathing. Yeah. I should probably just lay him down. Yeah. For $3,000, that's so Are you freaking good?
Yeah.
Can you not do that? See, this is why John didn't want you to sit next to her. I know, it's taking the. Hold on. I found your daughter. She's over there.